In this quick stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out your ankle into ankle eversion. So firstly, choose which side that you'd like to stretch. Now I'm going to stretch my right side for the purpose of this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the right ankle over my left knee. I'll do several videos on ankle eversion stretches just in case you can't get into this position, for example, due to hip mobility or whatnot. But this is the first position that I'd want you to get into for this stretch. You're going to place the same hand as the same side you're stretching. So right side, I'm stretching here, right ankle. So my right hand is going to come half underneath the foot and half on top of the foot. So what does that mean? Well, the palm of my hand's on the top of my foot, the fingers are underneath. So I'm placing that at the midfoot. From here, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to place my opposing hand, my left hand, on my heel. What I'm looking to do here in this position is to try to point the sole of my foot, the bottom of my foot, as far down as possible. So that means with this hand, I'm going to try to tilt my ankle this way in terms of trying to bring it down. And I'm going to do exactly the same with my left hand. Both hands are trying to tilt the ankle down. And when I'm doing this, I can feel a very mild stretch in the inner side of my ankle. And I can hold this for as long as I please. Before then, I would do the exact same on the opposing leg. So I'd do the same on my left leg afterwards. Now I'm going to come back into a neutral position. Now, let me show you that again. So I am pointing the ankle down. What you can also do for more of an additional stretch is you can get your thumb, and as you're pointing down, you can really try and draw the ankle. So you'll notice here my thumb on my left hand is just applying that deeper stretch onto the tissue and skin. So trying to get a little bit more of a myofascial release as opposed to a static stretch. You can either do this for repetitions, or alternatively you can just hold a static stretch. Whatever you decide to do, make sure you do exactly the same on the opposing foot, and that is how to do ankle eversion as a stretch.